And just check out the side profile, very square-like, but not like the plug-in hybrids. Hello guys, welcome to MercBenzKing. We have it, the all-new 2026 GLB, and in today's video I will show you this combustion version, which is the GLB 220. It is also called hybrid, but not like the plug-in hybrids. It only has the fuel tank to fill, and that means it has an electric motor at the gearbox that just assists it to make the fuel consumption as low as possible. For you guys that want the electric version, it will look exactly the same. Only the front grille is closed and it has some more animation, so flickering lights or more like a swooping line. And this one is open because it needs more air to come through to cool the actual engine. It has a 1.5 liter new Mercedes engine. It is called the M with a code, the 252. And this is the newest engine. It is pretty small, but still pretty powerful. So we have different output versions. I will tell you that later on. First we have in the front, just like the CLA, the new architecture with headlight that goes into one flowing line, the AMG line package. And I would definitely recommend to you guys to go for the AMG line, since we have more aggressive front bumpers, but also more important that the front side fender, so the wheel case, is also in the body color. Otherwise you would have it in robust plastic, but this is way more beautiful. Also the side skirt here is in gloss black, so we don't need the plastic parts. This is the option I would spec it. This color is called the high-tech silver, beautiful with the night package, black accents around the vehicle. Here in the front, the lower diffuser, but also the side. And just check out the side profile. I love it. The GLB, it is not, I would say that people choose it for design, but definitely for practicality. You can also have it as a 7-seater. This one is the 5-seating option. But just check out this door. It has the seamless door handles and it opens very square-like. So easy entrance, very practical. And if you listen closely, you hear this electric sound. Even though it is not an electric, guys. It is just a hybrid. It has the speakers, one in the trunk and one at the engine. There is exactly a similar design to the electric one, also similar in practicality, only this one does not have a frunk, since it has an actual engine. A quick glimpse of the interior. By the way, beautiful mountains as we are here in Austria. This one has the white and black, so the two-tone interior with the red seat belts. And just check out this design. I really like it. I would definitely go for such an option. The headrest you can push forward or backwards. And check out this half fabric, half leather. It is not Artico, neither it is Nampa leather, but it does feel good. Amazing interior, and I will show you that later on more, because it also has the center tunnel, which is floating. So you have storage space underneath, you can leave your bag. I will show you that later with the 3 digital screens. Here are no side steps. Maybe you have it optionally, I'm not very sure. Definitely on the GLC. Right here we have the gloss black side skirts. And then check out these rims. I would call them the Upsilon rims or Snowflake. And this is new design for AMG line. You can also maybe see them in upcoming models at Mercedes-Benz, such as an S-Class for example, but let's see in the future what that will bring. Then the rear part, also just like the door, very edgy, upright, with a small roof spoiler. There it says GLB 220, and yes, it has the exhaust design just like an electric, but this is combustion, guys. Beautiful, guys, with the black gloss for the night package. And we have the tail light that goes in one flowing line all the way to the other side. And this is a new era, guys. No plug-in hybrid, so it is Very strange to see this electric kind of design on a combustion vehicle. But therefore we get also the newest gadgets, newest technology, such as the MB.OS operating system, but also a lot of, I would say, electric practicality because of the free center console. Over here we have no battery in the rear, so you have storage space, a lot of it. You can basically put all your groceries inside and still have your luggage or the trunk free for any luggage bags. Very edgy C-pillar and also trunk area. Then we have the cover over here that you can close it for more privacy. The interior that we will check out a little bit later, and the huge panoramic roof, guys. This is all in one part. So there's a button over here to close the trunk. But you can already see the guys at the ski area enjoying the snow with gondolas. So let's close the door. There's no soft closing doors, guys. I don't expect it as an option either, but let's check out the interior. This looks very similar to the CLA and the GLC. The GLC doesn't have a seamless design though. Here you definitely notice 3 separate screens, but they are huge. I will open the guest profile. Over here you can have a look at apps, Disney Plus, you can watch YouTube, you can activate the webcam. And then we go to the practicality, as we have free space over here for your bag, 2 USB-C connectivity slots, wireless charging pad for your phone, cup holders that you can also remove, storage space down here with a coin holder. Just a lot of practicality, definitely in the rear, so we will also check that out. Amazing, guys. This is the new steering wheel. I already expected it to be manual. Quality wise it's really improved. I mean, there is no more gloss black. You do get a lot of fingerprints because the only way to operate this screen is by touching it. There's no more touchpad over here. You also can't control the display with the steering wheel. This is solely for the gauges in front of you. Then we have a huge head-up display, nice view of the power bonnet. It looks very powerful. Then we have the large head-up display. Another thing I noticed is the new seat adjustments, and I already covered this, guys, on the CLA for example. I really miss the heating and cooling for the seats and the memory seats. Now you can only find it right here at the system. So we have the memory seats over here, seat heating, and also an optional massage that will be standing right there. But don't forget, guys, besides that there is the MB.OS, which is like a ChatGPT kind of variant for Mercedes-Benz. So you can basically give commands. You can just say activate the massage or drive me to a certain location with a nice view or whatsoever, and it will do it. So you don't need to search around for the right options. The car will do it on voice command. Let's go to the back seat. Amazing, guys. Look at the space. There's definitely around 20 centimeters of legroom. The headspace is very decent. Actually, if you go for the optional panoramic roof, it will increase in a headspace. The only downside is you can't open the roof like we used to do. But also then an advantage is that you don't have the center bar. So you have basically a full-on panoramic roof. You can also make it transparent. At the moment it is pretty much closing all the light coming in with Mercedes stars. And yet again, a lot of space, guys. You can just move around, grab something from the trunk. You also have your cup holders over here, location to leave your phone. And also, of course, a beautiful interior view. And 2 USB-C connectivity slots. So guys, thanks for watching MercBenzKing. I hope you liked the video with the all-new GLB combustion hybrid, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye bye.